Want to protect your Windows PC using the security tools already built in? Microsoft Defender provides antivirus and threat protection through Windows security. In this guide, I'll show you the main features you should know, from scanning your PC to checking protection settings. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app to open the main dashboard. Microsoft Defender's antivirus features are managed from the Virus and Threat Protection section. Start by checking the Current Threats section. This area shows your recent scan information and whether Windows has detected anything that needs your attention. If everything is clear, you can move on to the other protection settings. For a fast security check, select Quick Scan. Microsoft Defender will examine common areas where threats are often found. This is useful for routine checks when you want a quick result. For a deeper check, select Scan Options. Depending on your Windows setup, you can choose a full scan, custom scan, or Microsoft Defender offline scan. A full scan checks much more of your system, while an offline scan can help with persistent threats. Next, open Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection settings. Here you'll find controls such as real-time protection and cloud-delivered protection. Keep these protections enabled when you're relying on Microsoft Defender. Keeping Defender updated is important because new threats appear regularly. Return to Virus and Threat Protection and find the Protection Updates section. Select Check for Updates to look for the latest security intelligence. Now open Protection History. This area shows threats and potentially unwanted apps that Microsoft Defender has detected, blocked, or quarantined. If you don't recognize an item, don't restore or allow it unless you know it's safe. Microsoft Defender also works alongside other Windows security features. Check firewall and network protection, app and browser control, and device security to review your broader protection. These tools help protect your network, apps, and hardware. Finally, keep Windows itself updated. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and check for available updates. Security updates can include important fixes that work alongside Microsoft Defender. And that's how to use Microsoft Defender on Windows. Run regular scans, keep protection features enabled, review your alerts, and install updates when they're available. So yeah, these simple habits can help keep your PC safer every day.